received a ergonomic keyboard mat with a wrist rest that is ergonomically correct. And you know what? It surprised me a little bit how much I really like it. So hang on and I'm going to show it to you. I received this mat from the manufacturer to do this review, and you know, it is made with durable, high rebound foam. It is stronger than most memory foam. It keeps its shape, and it really offers consistent support. I want to flip it over and show you the back before I put the keyboard on it. It has this poo material, and it is a little bit tacky, so that when you put it on your desktop, it's not going anywhere. I mean, it holds, it doesn't slip or slide. So I'm just going to pop my keyboard on here, and you can put it down like this, or you can pop it up a level a bit. I like it down low. So what I really like about this is that I spend a lot of time at my computer. And so it just feels really stable to use. It supports my wrist very well. And I can go sit at my computer and work for a long time without my wrist getting sore. You know, I need that support. The one thing I really, really like are these little 3D designs. And if you notice, they're in the shape of a little heart. So they're really actually quite sweet. I like them. But what I really like is that they give you a little bit of extra relief on your wrist. It's a little bit of a massage bump there, and it makes a really big difference over time. So I give this mat a thumbs up. The foam in it is, it's better than a memory foam, and I can tell it's thicker. When you push into it, it doesn't stay pushed. You know how memory foam can do that, it'll spring back, but this holds its shape. So I give it a big thumbs up.